The history of the American automobile industry. The American automobile industry has played a crucial role in shaping global transportation, from the invention of the first vehicles to the dominance of mass production techniques. Below is an overview of its history, highlighting significant companies, models, and innovations. 19th century. The birth of the automobile. 1. 1893 Charles and Frank Duryea built the first American gasoline-powered automobile. 2. 1895 The Duryea Motor Wagon Company became the first American car manufacturing company. 3. 1899 Ransom E. Olds founded Oldsmobile, one of the earliest mass-production car manufacturers. Early 20th century. The rise of mass production. 1. 1903 Henry Ford founded the Ford Motor Company. 2. 1908 Introduction of the Ford Model T, the first car produced on an assembly line, making automobiles affordable to the masses. 3. 1911 The electric self-starter, invented by Charles Kettering, was introduced in Cadillac models, eliminating the need for hand cranking. 4. 1913 Ford implemented the moving assembly line, reducing production time and costs. 5. 1920s, General Motors, GM, introduced the idea of annual model changes in a range of brands: Chevrolet, Pontiac, Oldsmobile, Buick, Cadillac. 6. 1927 The Model T was replaced by the Ford Model A, offering improved design and engineering. Mid-20th century. The golden age of automobiles. 1. 1930s, Chrysler introduced Airflow, one of the first aerodynamically designed cars. 2. 1940 Jeep Willys MB was developed for military use and later inspired civilian off-road vehicles. 3. 1948 Cadillac introduced the first mass-produced car with a tail fin, influencing automotive design. 4. 1953 Chevrolet introduced the Corvette, America's first mass-produced sports car. 5. 1955 Ford launched the Thunderbird, a luxury two-seater convertible. 6. 1959 The introduction of seatbelts in vehicles, increasing safety standards. Late 20th century. Muscle cars and the oil crisis. 1. 1960s, the era of muscle cars, with models like Ford Mustang, 1964, a revolutionary pony car with a stylish, affordable performance package. Chevrolet Camaro, 1967, GM's response to the Mustang. Dodge Charger, 1966, a powerful muscle car with an aggressive design. Pontiac GTO, 1964, often considered the first true muscle car. 2. 1970s, the oil crisis led to demand for fuel-efficient vehicles, impacting muscle car production. 3. 1980s, technological advancements, including fuel injection and improved aerodynamics, were introduced. 1986 Ford Taurus, a revolutionary design with front-wheel drive and aerodynamic styling. 1984 Jeep Cherokee XJ, one of the first unibody SUVs, setting the trend for future off-road vehicles. 1990s, early 21st century, innovation and competition. 1. 1990 introduction of the Ford Explorer, marking the rise of the SUV market. 2. 1992 Dodge introduced the Viper, a high-performance sports car with a V10 engine. 3. 1997 GM introduced the EV1, the first modern mass-produced electric car, though it was discontinued in 2003. 4. 2000s, the rise of hybrid technology. 2000 Toyota Prius. Though not American, it influenced U.S. automakers to develop hybrids. 2005 Ford Escape Hybrid, one of the first American hybrid SUVs. 5. 2008 Tesla launched the Roadster, proving electric vehicles could be high performance. 2010s, present, the rise of electric and autonomous vehicles. 1. 2010 Chevrolet introduced the Volt, a plug-in hybrid with extended range. 2. 2012 Tesla launched the Model S, a game-changing luxury electric sedan with long-range capabilities. 3. 2015 Ford reintroduced the GT, a high-performance supercar with carbon fiber construction. 4. 2020s, the push toward electrification. Ford Mustang Mach-E, 2021, an all-electric SUV inspired by the Mustang. GMC Hummer EV, 2022, a revival of the Hummer brand with electric power. Chevrolet Silverado EV, 2024, an electric version of the iconic pickup truck. Conclusion: from the birth of the automobile to the age of electrification, the American auto industry has continually evolved. With companies like Tesla, Ford, and GM leading the charge into the electric and autonomous vehicle era, the future of American cars looks promising and innovative.